So, we're still at Lochgelly, the mini micro endurance race. We're on the last leg, the last 25 minutes. Race Ventura is still operating, despite being barged, bashed and bullied about the track. We've had a clean race so far, no black flags for race team Ventura. No black flags for race Ventura during this endurance race event. 25 minutes to go. Hopefully we'll get in some good laps. There's a small hope that we'll be in the top 10, however, we spent a long time repairing the car after an incident with a silver Mini earlier on. That bloody Mini there. But anyway, these things happen during racing. Still down there. It's been an interesting race, a good day. Oh, bunny hop on 3 wheels, there we go there. Race Ventura. Yes, sirree. Keep it ticking. Lovely jubbly. Round inside the corner. That's it. Up on 3 wheels. There we go. Oh, wee Civic spin there. Awesome. Curly, O'Connor getting through that. Nice, nice. And left a Mini, a wee back bump. Oh. People are just getting a wee bit excited just before the last bit. I see the temperament changing a bit, Stuart. I see the temperament changing as people get a wee bit more desperate in the last 10 minutes of the race.
Aye.
Or the tyres are giving up or whatever it is. Black flag for boo, bad Mini number 67 that we don't like. Boo. But unfortunately it won't fix the car, he's done the damage. But people are getting a wee bit more anyway,
getting desperate.
Still bags of race in front to be had, and we'll see what happens at the end. The boy in the pole is really giving it some. That's the last 3 turns in a row. He's managed to lose it. We'll just see him. This is where the corner is. Civic spinning again. Oh, he's managing to hold it. And we'll see it there. There it is. We'll see if the Polo can maintain control. This corner again. Last one. And yeah, he's made it out not too bad this time. Lovely. That's us now.